Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm just bringing you with me for a Sunday vlog. My stomach is growling. Ooh, I gotta eat. But it's currently 7:57. I have a visit to do at 9. So I gotta drive a little minute to go to this visit. But I'm waiting on my mom. But I have some very exciting stuff that's happening and I can't wait to like tell you guys or like show you guys. But yeah, so I'm just waiting on my mom. She need to come home because time be going by really fast. But yeah, so that's what I have to do, and I'm just gonna be bringing you with me. We're having a potluck also at church today for like Valentine's Day because we didn't get to hang out with each other for Valentine's Day. So we're gonna have a potluck today. So I'm probably gonna have to go get food and all that stuff. But yeah, so I'm just bringing y'all with me. Got my little puff rocking. But yeah. Okay, so my visit is done. I'm at church, so we have to go inside and start setting up for the potluck. And then I have to run to Publix to get the food because I don't want to get it too early and then it's just be cold. So I'm going to go and help my mom set up and stuff. And then go to Publix. And I might go to Starbucks too because I need a drink or something. But I mean, I have water. So actually, no, I'm not going to go to Starbucks. I need to save money too. So I have my water, so... Alright y'all, I just got out of Publix. I literally had to wait for a whole hour for chicken. I went there at 11 and it's 11:56, almost 12, and I got all of the food in the bag waiting, like, so I'm gonna drop it off at church and I gotta go to my sister's house to get this rice that she just started cooking. So oh my gosh, I'm hungry and I'm hot and tired, but thank you Jesus, it's okay. But yeah y'all, I had to wait 40 minutes for chicken, which is so crazy. Like, I was like, what in the world? Because the first lady was like, okay, you only wait 30 minutes. I was like, okay, yeah, I can wait 30 minutes. 30 minutes passed, and then, no, after that, then the black lady came out, and she was like, no, it's going to be 40 minutes. I said, oh my gosh. And plus, I needed the chicken because I didn't have, there was no other option but for me to wait because I wasn't going to go to a different Publix. So, yeah, so I got the chicken. Hey guys, so I'm at the vacuum. I'm gonna vacuum out my car right quick before I go back to work. It's like 4:36. I don't have to be there to 5:30, and it's still a little bit of drive. But my car's not that dirty, but I do need to vacuum her out because I just been going without vacuuming it out. But let's vacuum it out. And this is how my car looks. I just have like trash here, stuff here. I need to vacuum out my seats and like my floors, and that's it. Alright, besties, my car is cleaned out. She is spick and span. She looks good. So now let's go to work.